That's where the single prints were, I believe. Yeah, 72 was important. I see it. We had it even 72. And
Yeah,
now that's
I gave it
IB.
twice today. I banked off it. So the watch list came in handy. Thank you.
I just honestly, I don't know what. I don't think I want to trade this range right now. 56 to 30. Not interested. We need to clear 60 for me. So
What have you got above that?
60, if we clear, we're gonna hit 96 and 1510. Or 1510, we hit 43. That would make this a trend day if they're able to do this. If they hit 43, I believe they will do it. I just the timing is really difficult at the moment. I'm
Certainly
looking
gone
at
to
it.
sleep.
NQ, man. Have you seen the footprints? They're not that. They're
They're
not
not
that
forbidden.
juicy at that. They're not
No.
convincing here at the top. And I posted earlier. I don't know if you guys remember. Let me share my screen if I'm not already. Posted something for you guys on the footprints. I said they're most likely gonna go on these footprints here on the delta. I don't know if you guys saw my post on the main chat, but we came really, really close to it. And look what happened. I mean, you had a completed auction right here. And then I don't know how to change this, but there's a massive POC accumulation. A lot of these were negative. Then we had a positive one and we went down. So now, if we're able to lose this level, I would say 926. I don't see a reason why we can't go to 884 level. And that might happen as we speak. Let's see. From Delta standpoint. But honestly, I just don't see. I'm not willing to trade this because right now they're bracketed. For NQ, I mean, this is your key level here, key level right here. You can go along in between these, but that's just not my appetite here. Not a bad long if you're gonna play this here, but you're playing a really tight range. Just keep that in mind. If you go long at 36, your stop loss is a lot below 10 points, and you're only looking to gain 12 points. So the risk to reward is not for me. But I would say that majority of the plays that we had for ES, they literally played out, all of them. Oh my God, the initial balance on ES is really bad.
We just get on the downside.
Yeah, this is a long level that they have to defend. Here's a completed auction thus far. Let's see, failed. This is not a bad long here. Took a small long here. I'm not giving them a lot. You can put a stop loss here at 21 somewhere, but I would not give them a lot here. Took a small long.
Check your DM, Shorty.
Yep, got it. Big level on ES as well. This is the POC for today on TPOs right here. They can't lose 312. So if they want to hold this shape on ES, they gotta do some defending here. See what they got now. Man, this is a disgusting range on ES. 18 points on initial balance. Average is usually 26. We're gonna tip over like big time here. And we just bounced off of IBH on NQ, so on ES, I'm sorry. If you're able to pop over 4315, you guys remember 4315? Anyone? Maybe you guys don't, but do you remember that huge delta we had on ES at 4315? Notional.
Yeah, I had a sell side imbalance there too, I believe.
Yeah, it was $100 billion at that level 4 weeks ago. If anyone took that long, I'm up okay now. $100. Now we have to reclaim this level here, take this completed auction out. If we do, we're gonna test these 52s, and that's probably good enough for you to take off. My average is 30 and a half. Okay, they just reclaimed the POC 15. They could push this now. So next level on ES 17 and a half. Here they have to establish some value above. And you guys pay attention to this level right here. And if who knows why I'm highlighting this level here.
Buy side imbalance, aggressive buyers.
There's a lot of buyers that were sitting here. The next candle, they didn't really even take quarter of it. And they established again a POC here. You do have a failed auction here, but I think they're headed higher now. They're gonna squeeze people out. Okay, well, I'm up nicely now. Okay, I'm moving my trim here. Remember, brackets, tight ranges, your risk to reward is limited, as I explained. So I got trimmed here. I got one left. They have to hold this. And do you guys notice what happened on Delta here? This is a bullish sign here. Negative 400 to positive 55. What does that mean?
Absorption.
Somebody's absorbing the sellers here. Whoever came in to sell late at that level was really not aware of this guy here. And look, here, 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 here. They're all sitting there. Unless you're breaking below this level, then you're hitting 884. I would expect these to be revisited at some point.
Do you use the 15-minute often?
I use it for intraday because 30 I feel like sometimes is too far when I'm analyzing, especially a market like today.
Because I see the stuff you're talking about now on the 15, but I had no idea looking at the 5 or the 30.
I don't analyze the market on 5 ever. I look at mainly 30, and then 15 is usually the lowest I'll analyze on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
This is a big level here for, and something that you guys have to note here is that you do have a completed auction so far here. And then you have failed, failed, failed. And then this one here was completed, and then we brought an imbalance down. But you guys know we had a gap of a few hundred points here. It looks like a really healthy chart. If you guys don't know me, that would be sarcasm. And you guys see here, there was buyers at the top, and so far we are below them, right? So once they clear this level that we mentioned, 54, they can really squeeze a lot of shorts out. They started selling here at the top. You see how the red delta came in. They started selling, but let's see who wins this. It seems like we're gonna have a nice little fight in this 20 points range, and then I guess losing below here is gonna trigger a sell-off potentially. I wouldn't mind getting somewhere 613. I know it's crazy, 200 points, 300 points away, but it's also crazy that we ran this much. 343. Yeah, it looks like they wanna push, at least test this guy right here now. Is anyone not green today? Is anyone red for some reason? It's a pretty easy day on the bounces, but
I'm extremely green.
yeah, that's good. Burnside, how's your day? I think
Yeah, pretty good, mate.
Yeah.
That 72 bounce, as I said to you, Apex kind of giving me a free option. I went heavy. So, yeah, that was good.
they're prepping for an explosion, guys, here. Let's see what they do. Go on that queue a little bit. You know what I hate on TradingView? When you do the TPO, the settings don't stay together for NQ versus ES on.
No, you have to keep changing the tick side, don't you?
It's fucking annoying. I mean, come on, that's simple shit.
Can you not set a template? Would that not work?
You can, but
Nah.
me about it. That's fucking. This is a boring range. And for people on YouTube, you guys are, if you're interested to join, you're welcome to join through the Discord. I think Rockets has the link as well. I would say between Rockets and I, we trade live probably every day, I would say.
Yeah.
Of the
5 days
week.
a week.
Unless I have COVID, one of the 10 numbers, 10 times I've had it, then I don't trade.
The link's gonna be in the description of the video.
I think we should give them some kind of promo for people at least to test it out, Drew.
I think Black Friday's coming up.
Can I have a discount?
Sure, man. You can have a British discount
That means we
for all the
charge
fucking headaches that you gave me.
You love it.
double.
What do you mean? You can be quiet, Rockets, as well.
We'll probably do probably half off for people if they want to test it. Buy 1 month, get one off, because I'm not that tech savvy, if you guys don't know. If you join, you pay the month, then the next month you get free. That's probably what we'll do. So if you join, we'll refund the month.
Yeah, so if you join during the month of November, we'll refund you for December.
Yeah, that's probably fair.
I'm going to rejoin.
I knew he was coming, you British bastard. Oh, yeah. Burnside's funny.
Yes, odds, that counts.
Burnside's gonna be crying this weekend. He just doesn't know yet. If you guys lose to Everton,
Oh, behave. Behave.
I swear you should quit watching soccer.
Football.
We don't watch soccer.
Anyone take that long again? Right here. They keep giving it to you. They're in a range. You'll get caught once, but you can also make money. I got in at 29.
You change your tick size again on the cluster?
On this one now.
Yeah. Mine's showing different data on that 10-15 candle.
I'm on
You've
3
got it.
though.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah. You're probably on 5.
4, just to be different.
4. Yeah, that's good. I mean, that's why we don't use a metric system in America. We want it to be different. Dude, that show got me so good. The one I sent to you, I could rewatch it every freaking day. Rockets, you gotta watch that show, man. On Saturday Night Live from last Saturday, you gotta watch it.
Okay.
It describes Dumpster and Burnside pretty much.
And you.
Yeah, and me. Yeah.
Which skit was it?
Let me find it. Somebody's better than
It
me.
was the George Washington skit.
Yeah, the George Washington skit.
I'll have to watch it.
Dude, it is so good.
I think it's like the 3rd or 4th one in, but yeah, it was really good.
About 27, 28 minutes in. It's the skit. It's solid. It's pretty good. There was a couple of good ones on that one, I would say. Come on, guys. You can pop it now. Here comes a gambler. He's gonna say something. I think I'm just gonna buy like 100 mics and hand it out to you guys. So you guys can have some mics.
Here, I'll send you the link for the one I want, Shorty.
Yep. Well, the one I got is fucking garbage and it was $400. Wow. Really, the factory orders month over month grew and the GDP estimates from Fed came down to 1.2.
Yeah. Mate.
How does that add up? Wow, the mortgage rates on 30 years. So one of my friends, he's a veteran here, and he sold a house like in the countryside of Georgia. Well, they can sell their loans. I didn't know that. Like veteran loans or VA loans, they can sell the loan with the rate. And the guy offered him $5,000 for 2.4% on 30 years. And the guy was like, "Are you crazy?"
That doesn't know.
No, he was like, "Dude, you're smoking." He's like, "Man, I need at least $50,000 for that up front." I was like, "I don't blame you."
What's the 30-year? About 7%.
Almost 8%, dude.
Shit.
So
Wait,
he
you
won at
can
6%.
Sell your loan?
You can sell your VA loans. I'm sure if Ashley's on, she knows more probably about it. Yeah, you can sell your VA loan, but if you sell it, you don't qualify as a veteran for VA loan or something like that in the future. So he's like, "No, man, if I'm gonna do that, I need to make some cash." I'm trailing at 37.5 here, guys.
Is that or variable? It's just a fixed loan for the terms, 8%.
Yeah.
Well, why would you take a fixed rate now?
Well,
Do you not have variables over there?
you do have variables, but in 2008, people learned a lesson that it's better to lock the loan. And they offer now variable to combat the high rates. But in 2008, there was a lot of loans on residential.
Yeah, cool. You know, I remember the whole subprime concept.
Yeah, the subprime.
But I mean, over here we have like 2-year, 5-year, 10-year mortgages, and then you just wait for the curve to roll down, and then you refinance, right?
Yeah, in US, refinancing is about $4,000 every time. So
Wow.
you want to be careful how many times you refinance, because then your break-even point might be pushed out a little bit. Most people roll the costs of refinancing to their loan.
Yeah, you can do that here as well. Yeah.
But that's the dumbest thing you could do. If you keep doing it, you're just gonna be adding to your bottom line on the interest.
Are they principal repayment mortgages or just interest?
Both.
Right. Okay. So it's the same. Okay, we have the same. Right.
It's skewed towards the course interest first, and then you get principal.
Yeah, of course. Nobody worries about the principal because it's going to go up, right?
Yeah.
So I know what you're talking about now, Shorty. You can sell your VA loan, meaning that they don't have to come up with the 20% down to avoid the PMI insurance.
Yeah, there's a lot, man. I don't even know it all. I just know that he has 2.4% on 30 years as a VA loan. And he can sell that rate, and he was like, "Fuck that."
Yeah, it's called a loan assumption.
Oh, okay, there you go.
And the buyer has to qualify for a VA loan, so it has to be a VA buyer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I have 2.15 for 30
That's
years.
crazy though.
I'm at 1.17.
Wow.
For another 5 years.
It would be the dumbest thing to get rid of that house and buy something at 8%. You will never, ever break even.
Nope.
How's real estate in the UK? Is it stupid expensive?
It depends where you live, right? There's north-south divide up here, right? So houses in the north of England are a lot cheaper than in the south of England, right?
Just go live in Liverpool.
Yeah, why would you go to Liverpool? It's a shithole.
Nice and cheap.
Yeah, it's full of weird.
Exactly. Dumpster and Burnside.
Yeah, basically, if you're close to London, the market's pretty solid.
Yeah, that's good. We were thinking about going to London in December, the wife and kids.
Give me a shout. We'll go for a beer.
Yeah, well, I'll definitely do it. We'll take pictures for Dumpsty so he can post them in his mobile home.
Dumpsty's not invited.
Oh, no. Oh, definitely not.
My uncle lives in Suffolk.
Yeah, that's six-finger countries,
What does six finger mean?
inbreds.
Oh gosh, wow. No, he's not inbred.
Are you serious? Or are you
Yeah, no, it's just it's like a running British joke about people from Norfolk, Suffolk, around there.
Here comes the pump, guys. They can pump this now. If they crack this 45, they're gonna push to 60 here. They gotta clear this auction here right now. Let's see if they do. They're trying to. Here it goes. I'm still long here. They haven't cleared this seller yet. You guys see it? He's persistent a little bit. There's no volume at the moment. There's literally zero volume.
There's a downtrend line also.
Oh, thank you, Jake. Did they break it? Seems like it would be broken based on the slope I'm seeing.
On the
Oh.
5-minute, they keep bouncing off it,
Yeah, I see that.
but it looks like they're trying to break it right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they'll pop that. I mean, this is where all the late bulls are gonna be. Bull flags don't really mean shit for me, but that's where they get people.
That's my uncle's spot.
That's they're gonna run now. I expect to hit 53.75 based on TPO, and that would match somewhat here. 54-ish, small rejection off of these POCs here. But honestly, this is a pure shit action right now. This is where retail hops in and they buy market buy. Are they gonna do it again? They haven't made a higher high yet at 47. If you guys look on 3 minutes, we have a consolidation between, there goes. They just cleared this option here, so that I wouldn't be surprised if they tap that right there. Boom. Tap. Yeah, if anyone took that long, you're up like 15 points. I'm trailing now. I'll collect my monies. I'll let Dumpster buy it right here. Dumpster, great buy here. I'm out. Dude, he lives in that house?
Yeah, it's my uncle's castle. Yeah.
Fuck.
He's in the Rolling Stones. He's got a few quid.
I just realized, so that thing was built in 1273?
Is it a joke or are you being serious?
No, I'm dead serious. It's my uncle's castle.
He deals cocaine, or what kind of fucking drugs does he do?
He was the bass guitarist in the Rolling Stones.
I think he's done most of them.
No, actually,
okay.
he hasn't.
Wow.
Boo. What's the point of being a rock star?
He was into women, not drugs.
Well, most of them were too, man.
No, like,
Here comes a pop. Watch this now, guys. If they pop here, we're going 74. This is your line right here. If they pop over 54, they're gonna go. It looks like they want to, but
no, like, he was legit famous for, like, the amount of women he was with. There's like a running joke in the Stones.
And some questionably young ones as well, right?
Oh God, there we go. Mandy Smith.
I guess that did not pass down to your family, right? Like yourself,
Huh? What?
like being the females instead of males, or vice versa, or whatever your preference is. Well, I know you had that little, what do you call it, the Brazers account that was doing well.
God, you are crazy.
I'll send you guys his OnlyFans or whatever it's called. Watch 955 here. Come on. If we crack 955, that's value area high for today. That would mean we're ready to pop. And then we see 996.
I was at that wedding, Burnside.
Oh, wow.
If they run this week to 15,050, that's the wildest run I've seen in a while. I mean, that would be 1,000 points almost in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, 200 points a day. Pretty epic.
So I went roller skating with Mandy when I was like 16 and she was 18, and everybody thought she was my girlfriend.
Here it goes. We might go here. There it goes. We just came. We're gonna reject here a little bit. Delta's picking up. Okay, here. They might get a breakout. There's some sellers. You see how they slow down a little bit the auction. See if they're strong enough. They're probably headed right here to this completed auction, 72. This would be the target. Right here. There we go. Come on. Slow down. Think we're gonna pop here, guys. Did anyone take long on the bottom that we're talking about? You should be out by now if you're not. Here goes 60, they cracked. Some sellers in this area, but let's see. They gotta finish this auction here. I gotta see. The seller's gone, they just absorbed them. Might be going higher a little bit. Okay, this consolidation has started from 1040. We are above the value area high right now at 955. So that's your retest. That might give it.
You'll probably get a laugh out of that, Burnside.
Watch the squeeze. It can be fucking disgusting, guys. This can go really, really high if they do it right.
What did you see that you thought would make it go up again?
So you had, I mean, look at the delta here. You have selling here that got stopped on this candle. You have the double HVN POCs here. They reclaimed that. And then on delta perspective, you don't have much participation here. So when you enter these skinny areas of no liquidity, they target the next liquidity, and that was here and then here up top. Right now, they have to defend 53 and 55 area. Otherwise, we go back to this level, 38.
Okay, gotcha. Thanks.
Yeah, it looks more bullish right now, but let's see. They can trap here for as long as they want to, right? The people that played the trend line breakout, Eric, whoever mentioned that they got it. 945 to 960, they got 20 points, but this was a, I would say, decent long on a retest there, 955. They could rocket this now, guys. I see them doing it like shortly here to 972. This bubble here is growing. I anticipate that they're getting tired of it too. Sellers showing up again, so let's see what they do. Not a lot of takeoff on delta here so far. I don't see a lot of sellers showing up. They cannot lose 953. So if they do, then we're gonna go back to 941. I'll take that short. They're reclaimed 53. Over 55, they're in control again. There it goes. They're in control.
And this is just chop.
Oh, this is disgusting. I mean, if you trade this, don't expect to be, you have to be trading like a computer. I would take a long at 941. That's what I'm watching. We're in a double distribution now from 10 to here. So if they break the top, which is 915, 959 and a half, if they build any value above that, we're gonna rock it. I just don't see any selling. I don't see any sellers opposing this yet. They're not interested selling here. Look at the delta. They're about to rocket this. There goes 959.5. Test here. Took a small short 959, risking $55, 961.5 as a stop loss. I'm just seeing if they play the range now here instead of here. But they're aggressive here, probably out of boredom trade. I don't think there's any more news here for the day. No. Oh, tomorrow there's a lot of news. Okay, we caught some of that. 50 bucks there. I'm trailing in the money. I'm not giving the money back today on this chop. They're giving them all the fucking looks of a bull flag right now. If we crack this, guys, it's gonna be quick. We're gonna be quickly up. We gotta crack 960, so you can do some limit buys right there. There you go there. Now it's a big decision. Do we go to 70 or we auction back lower? And the chop is fucking disgusting here. Okay, well, I got filled on long here. Should be going to 70, 72 area, but let's see what they have in mind. They're gonna stop loss hunt first, or are we gonna go? And somebody's selling a little bit. Yeah, they can't lose 953. Below 953 is trouble. Oh, wait. Here. I really want 941. That would be my entry for go long with some size. If you're playing this, I would play a little bit more scalp than wait for a longer move. Not a lot of absorption yet. Let's see if they absorb these sellers and then they spike this. I would think they go this level here first. I guess a little bit higher. Right here, 972. And then ultimately 974 should be a rejection. Do you guys have access on NQ on the top in the D period, or is just me, dependent on what I'm showing here? Anyone else have access?
Access to what? Order flow?
No, no, the TPO. Do you have any single prints on the top in the D period
Okay, I'll look.
on NQ?
I don't have the TPOs on my chart, but there's about 7 points up there.
Yeah, that's what I see. Right, 7 points from 966.5 to the high.
So I don't know what the tick settings are, whether that would qualify as 2 TPOs or not.
Yeah, for me it's 2. Here it goes. I'm gonna go 966.5. And then they're gonna hit this guy here. They're gonna test him. I can short below this level here, 953 for a scalp, but it's just bullshit range. Might not be a bad short if they lose this POC even. get in a little bit earlier. But I'm just gonna wait. I don't wanna trade too much for this shit. They give us 41. That's where I'll. Rockets, is that a mic and a speaker or just a mic?
Just a mic.
Oh. Guess you will find other uses for that type of mic as well, huh?
What in the world?
I'm just relating to the way you've done before, man. Just
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Sure you don't.
I really don't. It's just a microphone.
this could sell off now all the way to 941, guys. Let's see what they do. They really bought it back up from negative 200, so they're not giving up the 53. If they do, we'll catch this 936 level hopefully.
Lose 53, 936.
Mm-hmm. But they're fighting here like crazy now. I just don't see a lot of aggressive sellers stepping in. The only guy that was there is here and we're above him now. You know, about 30 points. They're coming for every stop loss you guys have out there. They come for it. Who said Tesla wasn't going to be in the money? Was it? I think it was ARK. Was it you? No, you went long. I think it was Gift Trader. Yeah, we clearly know when Rockets is fucking typing.
Oh, sorry.
Here comes buyers. They're gonna push it, seems like, but this is fucking boring. Everything's 5 points at the top.
Doesn't your favorite stock have earnings after hours today?
Apple? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, I need them to get wrecked.
I think we're gonna get wrecked on the December puts.
Yeah, well, I need them to get wrecked.
I'm waiting for 178.10. Does everybody know why on Apple 178.10? See what they do there. It's a big level for them. That level there. I'll take a screenshot here. Gonna run it this time. Trapped enough people. Seems like they will. Let's see, any volume. There it goes. They just cleared single prints here on TPO. 966. They hit 967, so it's a poor high now. Most likely we're gonna visit the high of the day here. Typically we revisit that before close of the day. If we don't, then you know tomorrow is revisiting day.
They're just sending people to sleep with this.
I mean, it's boring unless you're playing 4 points. I can't even establish a stop loss. But they're gonna run it when nobody's fucking paying attention to this. Man, what a fucking gap, dude. Talk about gaps to revisit later. You're talking about 240 points gap. I mean, ES is right at the value area high for today. I think they're gonna break this though. Let me see. I have 326 next and then 43.50 on ES. And I would say this range today is fairly tight on IB here.
There's an untested VPOC at 43.30 on ES
43.30
from October 19th.
On NQ or you said ES, right?
On ES.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. A 20, yeah. 29 and a half I got. Right there. Yeah. That value area high there at 56 is gonna be a big boy. A lot of shit happened in that area. I just hope we get back inside the area on ES and offer 4304 for today. That would be ideal. Yeah, 30. There it goes. We're gonna get 41. That's what I'm watching, guys. They're gonna execute now. Come on. Look at the delta that just reversed here. I don't see anything here besides some BS bounce of 50. I want this bounce here, 38 to 41. Still bullish in 30 minutes though. There's no reverse yet.
Trying to bounce it here.
I'm just gonna be patient, wait for, there's a chance that they hit this 51 and hold, but I'm being greedy again. On tight ranges like this, I want my level to hit. They hit 41, I'll go long. A little bit more than one contract. If you guys have some order sitting there. 41 and a half. Yeah, here it comes. It's a bullshit candle here off a secret demand. Let's see. Do here at 48. It might bounce it here, but I want 41, please. There you go. This is a huge node here, so they could definitely start bouncing here early. We'll go small and for one, move it down and accumulate my position here now. I'm long with one here. Bless you, whoever sneezed there. Sounds like a kiddo.
That was my boy.
That's why I keep getting sick.
Yep. Right through the mic.
Yeah. All right, well, here we go. 43, we're coming. I took that. I didn't come at to a desired level, but it came in 2 points shy. That was. Did anyone grab long?
I was
a
waiting at
nice one.
41.
I had 41 order. I had market at. I got filled market at 46, so I had to take it because I don't think they'll give us another. There it goes. They wouldn't give us another setup. I mean, I hope they do. I still have orders sitting, but there's a quick 200 bucks. Oh man, if they crack 53 now, that's a oof, big level. Come on. There it goes. Now the POC, I don't know if you guys are watching, is at 55 and a half. That's a huge level for us. You're still long. And then we can target to hit 62 and 75 if we're over 55. I got trailed at 52 and a half. Not bad. 10 points on the shit. Still have one long at 46 and a half. My stop loss is a little bit below because I'm anticipating to add. The remaining one. But this is a big POC now at 55, so they might even give us 41 here. Hope they do. Anyone still long? I'm not trusting this push right now, but let's see.
Your profile, have you still got it on chart range?
Say it again.
Your right profile, have you still got it on chart range, or have you got something else?
No, not chart.
Hmm.
What's wrong now? I'm on 6 months, remember?
Yeah, no, I can see that. I've got totally different data. Brilliant.
They need spike volume now here. Come on.
Your
They need to.
delta on the right is 6 months?
Yeah.
Wow.
It wouldn't be 6 months on this contract though. Because we switched, right? So. This is a big level here. So if you were to draw a POC here or FVP here, look where we are right now. They just climb back up, they can explode from here. If they're smart, they would run the top here, trap the bulls, come back, go long. I'm sorry, trap the late bulls here, come back, and then go target the tops. We do have an imbalance, I believe, on 30 minutes here at 1340 or so. Yeah, right here, 1540. That's a sell side imbalance. I would anticipate us to eventually get there, target that liquidity there. Is anyone still long or just me and myself here? Guys.
And she.
I tapped my mouse by accident and I'm long.
That doesn't
Small
count.
side.
We're gonna tap 72 here. And they have to. If they don't, then we gotta turn it off for till 3 o'clock. Then we know it's Dumpsty's cousins running this shit. Damn, my phone's at 2% today. There it goes. Come on, guys, 72. If you grab 46, you're close to right now, 20 points. I'm trailing now at 59.5. They should be hitting this level here. I just don't know what the fuck's going on with them today. They should be pushing this 70 right now.
I had a big seller at 66 there.
Yeah, he's stubborn. I mean, he's sitting still somewhere here at 70. I haven't seen his offer come in. Do you see it on the heat map?
No.
I just don't know why they didn't do the execute properly yet. They need to go here. They
Look
need to
map,
go
there's
before
liquidity
130.
at 75.
They need to tap 70. I don't know why they're.
Yeah, I don't see 75 happening.
Here goes 70. Come on. They should be tapping here shortly.
There
There's
should
a
be
seller.
short.
There's your friend. Yeah. There's your seller. Either he gets destroyed and we run 20 points, or we're gonna come back down again to 40. So
Well,
continue
yeah,
the
if
range.
they crack like 75, we're gonna run.
Oh yeah. It's a big delta here
Yep.
above.
We should get slapped down at 71, 72.
There it goes. Yep, I agree. It should be clearing 70 to a tick here. We should boom. Alrighty.
Had a good teacher.
Yeah, somebody. All right, guys.
Wow,
I'm
I'm
trailing
out.
now. I'm trailing really tight now because this can be a quick reversal from these bastards. There it goes. Beautiful. I'm out. I'll let you guys play the breakout on this range. I won't. I'm out.
Wow, this
All
short
out.
is short.
Yeah, I'm out. I closed the long here. They can run this now, but I'm not willing to do the discovery myself. All right, well, 3 for 3 so far. Did it make sense why I went long on that level that I mentioned?
Yep.
Good. I should have gone with a much bigger size, but that's okay. I just hate tight brackets with the gap ups. So does that mean Tesla's over 220? No. Tesla's at 217. I'm still $7 in the money. I'm gonna hold this one till next week, see if they hit 250.
Oh,
They cracked 222, we can run.
if they get over 975 and hold it here, we're gonna just absolute blast off.
Oh yeah, I see us hitting 996 today though. That's my final for today.
Oh, they might do it right now then.
This is just a big delta here, man. If they're fucking crazy, they're just gonna chew through this.
Well, that's what I'm saying. They got to get over 75, but they're trying. We do have a completed auction.
If we was not at a gap up, I would short this. You see the seller, your friend there?
Yep. And we also have the completed auction at the top.
I just think they can crush the shorts here now and literally explode to 96.
Climbing. It looks like they're gonna do it.
Yep, this breaks here, we're gone.
Looks like they're gonna do it. Delta's getting bigger and bigger.
Mm-hmm. I'm not playing the breakout, but you guys are welcome to play it.
I can't do a breakout.
I took a short now.
Yeah.
I don't like that it's a failed auction, but it was just a quick short.
Break 68 for confirmation.
Yes, I prefer 65, but they won't do that.
I prefer 40.
Then that wish list.
That really confirms the short.
Yeah, we have a poor high now. Again, if they now offer us 32, I would go along at 32. Does everybody understand why?
Tell us, Shorty.
You tell me, and then I'll tell you if you're right.
That's the POC for
Somewhere
the
near
day.
the POC.
Yeah, it's a POC because they could trap time and volume, right? Below the volume, we would trap and hit the time. We spent a lot of time, but not a lot of volume. Therefore, the time becomes the opportunities there for me. And we're in a double distribution right now on volume. So
I just remembered we might be having a test sometime soon. Is that fair to the new people? Maybe we should have a review. I'm just kidding.
no, new people need to test so we know where the hell they stand. If they're EMA people or if they're our side people, they will not do well.
I was sneakily trying to get the answers. Sorry.
Well, since it's boring, I might release it for you guys right here, so you guys take the quiz.
Oh no. What did I do? Sorry, you guys.
We're gonna delete all responses. I already have them on my spreadsheet. All right, I'm about to post a link if you guys want to take this. I have an update that's coming in at 4 on all the quiz with the pictures, but here, let's see who wants to take it.
Oh, they're gonna
Anyone
send it.
interested? Who wants to take the quiz since it's boring?
They are gonna send it.
I'm not bored.
I'm bored. I didn't get in that long.
Yeah, this is a big level here. They're going 96, guys. They're gonna hit 96.75 to a penny. Who wants to take that bet? Did I hear Burnside?
No, you still owe me for the last one.
Oh yeah, let me send you a coffee. How do I send you a coffee in England?
Just send a gold bar. It's fine.
Go, yeah, that's totally okay. Let me call J-Pow real quick.
Well, just call the Bank of England. Get and put it in my deposit.
You guys are broke. 973 is single prints start.
Shorty, on this link is not asking for a name.
It is on the Discord. There's a Discord question. You sure?
Yeah, but it's not on there on this one.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's about halfway down.
It might not be the first question. Let me make sure I move it.
It's not. It's about 4 or 5 questions down.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I don't know how to move it. Just answer the questions.
ES is at its imbalance at 43.26.
You see that seller at 81 on NQ?
Yeah, he's still there. I wanted to short that, but I did not get
I
filled.
did.
Oh, nice. I just don't think they're giving us a range for the bottom right now. They're suppressing here. And the single prints are still intact, so. Let's see. Okay, they just cracked single prints. So they have a chance now to, as long as they don't reclaim 74, you're okay. But if they do, you're in trouble.
Like
My God, this is fucking putting me to sleep, dude. They're gonna dump it here now at 60. Come on. I'm not long or short.
Are any of these trick questions? Or
Yes.
is it just a straight?
just-
Oh,
Testing your knowledge, not giving you verbatim.
now are there more than one answer to some of these questions?
There's a box instead of circle, yes.
Okay.
Hey, Shorty, is there another name for normal variation type day?
I mean, in market profile or
Yeah.
like volume pro. I don't know any different names.
Okay.
Man. Might get lucky here, Burnside. Might be a quick dump here.
Dude, I'm not even watching it. I'm doing the test.
Oh, good.
Seeing as
Yeah,
Dumpster failed me last time.
I think
He
everyone
answered
is
them
on.
all wrong and put my name on it.
Responses. We got one response. Somebody. Oh.
Yeah, I got 20 out of 26.
I see it.
I'm trash.
Dude, you're a moderator. You should be getting like 25, 26.
Never said I was good in school.
Burnside, did you do this on purpose?
Do what? Do what?
Your quiz.
I haven't done it yet.
Tests make me nervous. That's why I always fail my drug tests.
What are you talking about?
Somebody's spoofing Burnside. They spoofed
Oh,
you.
that's funny.
Is this fucking Dumpster? Sorry, is this Dumpster again?
Yep.
That's hilarious.
Okay, there goes. I took a small short there. Just one contract up 120. Remember, 73 was single prints, so most likely we're headed, I would say, now back to 957-ish.
Where's the quiz, guys?
Oh, there's Cuban. Cuban only one time.
Where is it, man?
In the chat.
What?
Scroll
In the chat.
Oh, okay.
Press Alt F4, then you can find it.
Oh God, no! Don't mess with the old man.
Yeah, I closed my short there. 85.
Yeah, Dumpster filled out the quiz for me and got me 2 points. Thanks, Dumpster.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off till at least I see some range breaks, or it's just fucking boring to watch this.
You can't do that, sir.
Oh man, I just can't watch this. I literally would take a nap now or trade. At least give us 60 so you can see it. We should be selling off here soon.
It'd be nice if they would do something.
Mm.
Shorty, I have a question in this normal variation day,
Mm-hmm.
but it might give away the answer. Should I ask or?
No.
Shit. Okay.
Can ping me. So in a normal variation, I'll give you guys a clue. Typically you have the balance, right? IB set, then you'll have a break of that balance, and then they basically it's an adjusted balance. That means they're going to consolidate on top of that or on the bottom of it. And it's typically that they're gonna stay within a double of the IB. Does that help you guys?
So extended, but not times 2.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That's correct.
All right.
Usually normal variation, I would say it's more like 80-20 of control. 80% volume is short term, probably 20% is long term. And if there is a range extension, then 60% of that would be short term, 40% is long term. So it gives you an idea who's pushing, because we haven't seen a break yet of the IB that warrants, a lot of volume. The one that they had that happened at 1051, I wouldn't say it's massive volume. Then we had one here just recently at 106, and that was a shit volume. So, but they're just squeezing the shorts. So usually when the people short-term trader shorts, his stop loss is shortly above. So what does he have to do when they hit his stop loss?
He has to close out or sell.
Yeah, he has to buy to cover, right? So when he covers, he's basically fueling the melt up.
They're finally going for it, huh?
Yeah, they're 196. See all these people that shorted here? They're covering now. They're covering here up there. We have to tap 96.75, so. I mean, it's just shit volume thus far.
Can you call me every morning, Shorty? It was a really fun way to wake up.
Hell no. Dude was in bed and I called him.
I thought I was like half in a dream. You're like, the market's up 500 points. Like, what? Really? Are you trolling me?
Amazon. Wow, Amazon back to 140. Wow, good for you. Man, the T shares are doing really good for us. I wish I bought CLX though. For Sunday's class, I have to sit down with my wife. It happens that we have 4 birthday parties that we need to attend this weekend. Just FYI, I have to figure out where we are going. See if the time's good. We have 96, 1503, and 1507 range for rejection here, just FYI, but. A real rejection happens at 5120, I'm sorry. My God, come on, just do something. Do whatever you want, just do something. And the VPOC at 1543. I think that's their target. I don't know if it happens today. That would be a pretty fucking sick day. And they hit 90. There comes 96.75. Come on, you little pigs, go. You have some single prints here on the top. See if you're able to clean it up, or if it's really other time frame sellers coming in here at 85. Took a small stab short. They should be protecting 966 here right now. I'm pretty sure we're headed there right now.
Tell me what you think of this fill, Shorty.
me see. Where is it? CK got a perfect score, guys, on the quiz.
Way to go, CK.
Wow, good job, dude. That's really good. The average actually increased. So that's a good sign. We're averaging 20. It's good. There's a few of you that need to look at that PowerPoint. Steve, it would be a good idea to revisit that PowerPoint. I agree. Hey guys, I'll probably hop off here just for about an hour or so, and I'll be back on. I just can't watch this. They're gonna go to 96. I just can't watch them inch by inch get there. Eventually, if they break 9096, they're gonna hit 1505. Okay, they're gonna hit it soon here. I'm interested between 1508 and 1543. As soon as they crack that, they got my interest for long. Other than that, longs I'll be watching for are sitting still. Let me give you this level. It's a good setup for a long. Right at 41 again, and then 59 and a half. 59 and a half would be really, really good if they give it to you. I'll be back. I'm just gonna go see my kiddos a little bit, and I'll hop on.
Thank you, Shorty.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, I'm gonna kill the YouTube with Shorty gun.
You can stay on if you want.
No, I've been done trading. It's been, and then it's just a slow, boring grind right now. I don't feel like watching this, so.
Yep, no, I
for
understand.
anybody that missed it, we are running a Black Friday deal for the Discord if you're interested. If you buy this month, anytime in November, if you join, you'll be able to get December free. Anyway, have a good luck or have a good day, everybody. Good luck. Hope you all did well.
Thank you, Drew.
And I will see you all.